Now the flavor is 2020 cricket. And 2020 cricket, which better team to back than Kolkata Knight Riders?
There are three types of people in America, in the population. What is it? Those that played basketball, those that play basketball, and those that will play basketball. But what is there in cricket to answer is now there is something of entertainment value. The media likes it, it's media friendly, there are a lot of scope for advertisement, and India, there are icons. This is a type of game that, you know, like the basketball band and everything, and you know, like people should get energy, and this is fun and laughter. It's not technique, and it is not, you know, like logic, and it's not there. It is sports, it is entertainment, it is enthusiasm, it's, you know, fitness.
Whereas football probably is very popular in Calcutta, but since Sourav Ganguly has come, it has taken a backseat.
Sourav Ganguly, the man who popularized cricket in Bengal, is an icon for all budding cricketers. Thousands of youngsters want to become like their star, Sourav.
He is from Bengal, and we also wanted to be like him. So he is also our captain, and my ideal is also Sourav Ganguly.
The hope to see Prince of Kolkata perform was further raised. Sourav too had his plans.
Up in the air, out. Look at Ganguly.
But life never goes according to one's plan. His dismissal in the 11th hour shattered not only his plans but also the dreams of thousands of KKR fans.
See, from the very first day, all the decisions taken this time for IPL, one is to chuck out Sourav as a captain. See, you can make anybody captain, but you have to take a decision at least 1 or 2 months before the season starts, so that the captain gets mentally prepared, the team gets mentally prepared, team knows who is the captain. It's before 2 days, if somebody comes to know that this time XYZ is the captain, it's difficult for the captain to adjust, for the players to adjust. So this is a very wrong policy which Knight Rider has taken.
Humiliating. Absolutely humiliating. In players stature like Ganguly, the man who played more than 300 one-day matches and 100 test match. Sachin, Sourav, Lakshman, Rahul, these guys are legend of Indian cricket. Legend. All-time legend. So it's a very sad part.
In the beginning of season 2, KKR came up with a very fresh idea of multiple captaincy theory. But what was this theory all about?
See, I think these are all bullshit, all rubbish theory, because this kind of multiple captaincy doesn't happen in any kind of sport. You have to have one captain. Even in a battlefield, you have to have one leader. Even in a ship, one leader. So you don't have, you may have subordinates below that, vice captain or anything like that. But you can't have 2-3 captains in a team. That was, I think, what do we call it, as a fake kind of decision, or maybe an idea. And I think basically that idea was taken only to have a marketing strategy. It's just a marketing strategy to me and nothing else. Because even I know, you know, even KKR knows that this kind of strategy does not exist in this world. Maybe after 100 years it might be. But I think basically it's a marketing strategy, because before IPL starts, last 1 month only we are hearing about Knight Rider. Nobody was talking about the champion, the runner-up team. We are only talking about Knight Rider. That was, I think, is a marketing strategy.
I'm a cricketer. I've been around for 30 years. Around 73, I played with Tiger Patodi. Since then, so I've been maybe ancient or whatever you can call me. When I heard this, I said, has this man gone mad? Has he lost his head? Because cricket still has not become football, where Ferguson can guide from outside, or he makes the strategies and you have to work on it. Captain is just wears the armband and does nothing. In cricket, captain runs the show. And then you have 4 captains. Too many cooks spoils the broth.
Initially, I thought that Mr. John Buchanan was joking, must be joking. I was not sure about that. He must be joking. After that, he said day after day, then I feel, what's happening? Then I spoke to Saurabh. He said, in typical in Bengali, Amaro thik, I don't know what he's saying. What do you want to mean? I told him to go and talk to him straight.
No, it was not McCullum. It was Saurav. It has never been McCullum. It is Saurav. He wanted to remove Saurav with Tom, Dick and Harry. It could be Brendan also. So it was not. The idea for him was, if he had to take control, he had to get rid of Ganguly as captain.
Not only captaincy, but selection for Team KKR was also a big miss.
Yeah, selection was missed this time because it was totally unplanned. Even the most surprising thing which I felt was that Shahrukh's not joining with the team after 30th of April.
वहाँ पे जो प्रैक्टिस मैचेस हुए थे वहाँ पे लोकल टीम ईगल के साथ, तो उसमें भी परफॉर्मेंस मेरा अच्छा रहा था. रोज ही 2-3 विकेट लिए थे, बैटिंग भी थोड़ा बहुत किया था. तो लोग मुझे कुछ मतलब कन्विंसिंग कोई बोल नहीं पाया कि क्यों यू आर गोइंग बैक टू इंडिया. तो फिर आई वेंट बैक. मैं सोचा ठीक है यार, चलो ये क्रिकेट में होता रहता है, कभी यू गेट अ चांस, कभी यू डिजर्व अ चांस एंड डोंट गेट अ चांस. दिस ऑल हैपेंस इन क्रिकेट.
कभी भी पता नहीं चला कि टीम सिलेक्शन हो गया, इन लोगों को चुन लिया, क्योंकि मेरा तो कॉन्ट्रैक्ट था 3 साल का था, तो मुझे पता नहीं चला कि मुझे निकाल दिया जाएगा. तो अचानक ऐसे लिस्ट निकला तो मुझे ऐसा खबर मिली.
Selection was the biggest drawback of Team KKR. They somewhere seemed confused about who to play and who not to play. Selecting players and sending them back further pressurized the players. The selection procedure too seemed to be a bit messy. This lack of transparency perhaps further killed the team spirit.
ये तो सिलेक्शन के ऊपर जाएगा, क्योंकि वो लोग जैसे सोचा था कि लास्ट ईयर ये लोग बंगा नहीं था, आकाश चोपड़ा था, वो थोड़ा अच्छा किया था. इस साल भी शायद अच्छा करेगा, मगर 2020 फॉर्मेट में खुद को जितना जल्दी इम्प्लीमेंट कर सके उतना अच्छा है. वहाँ पे अगर थोड़ा डॉट बॉल या ऐसे कुछ जो भी खेला टीम के लिए फ़ायदेमंद नहीं होगा.
अच्छा नहीं कर रहा हूँ, कोई निकाल देगा टीम से तो आई डोंट हैव एनी क्वेश्चंस, आई डोंट हैव एनी रिग्रेट्स विद दैट. लेकिन अच्छा कर रहा हूँ, मैं जानता हूँ कि मैं बेहतर हूँ और कोई मतलब मुझसे बेहतर कोई खेल रहा है और मैं बाहर बैठा हूँ, तो ये किसी के लिए भी, नॉट ओनली फॉर अ क्रिकेटर, फॉर एनी जॉब.
Sanjay Bangar should not be in that side. How they have selected him, with due respect to Sanjay Bangar, but see, for a tournament you have to select a player. You just can't pick somebody and take a wrong decision and in the mid of the season you send him back. That is also very bad. So totally it's a very bad decision.
The selection miss not only affected the Kolkata fans, but also SRK, who has never seen defeat in his career so far. But this time, Badshah has to.
If he is there, I used to really sit and watch him. My God, that gentleman that I think children should learn from. I took my daughter one day. I said, you see this person from once in the gallery, then in that box where everybody's dancing and all, then again in the ground, Shah Rukh Khan. Yeah. Watching him would give you energy, whatever age you are. And you have to admire the energy. He actually radiates energy.
Shah Rukh's not joining with the team after 30th of